Hi guys, just wanted to talk to you about constructing things with pallets. These are a couple of barn doors I did before I started posting on YouTube. Just wanted to share a few pitfalls that I encountered along the way. Now when it comes to pallets, remember you'll get two different sizes. You get the Euro pallet, which is 120 by 80, and a standard pallet, which is 120 by 100. When you're sort of working out what quantities you need, always allow a bit more quantity than you think you're going to need, because when you come to stripping them pallets down, it can be quite a difficult job. I did get quite a lot of breakage. Some are very difficult to get apart, others not too bad. You obviously end up with your nail holes and things like that in your timbers, but again we like things quite rustic, so it all adds to the appeal. You will get different thicknesses on planks as well, which all adds to it. Something else to mention as well is the weight. I didn't realise these are two quite big barn doors, and when you actually come to make them, the weight can be an issue. So when you come to pick your sliders, your runners for the doors, better to go for something like a carbon steel or of that nature. That'll hold probably about 90 kilo per door, whereas an aluminium runner will probably only hold about 45 kilo per door. I think these ended up costing me, I would say, about 40 euros per door. We pay about 5 euros per pallet. Obviously you can be lucky and go and pick some and find some that sometimes are free. I just finished these off. I managed to find some raw edge timber that I managed to finish the join off, which I thought was quite nice, and then we just stained them up. Again, we don't do too much on the sanding side. We do like quite a rustic finish. But yeah, just a couple of pitfalls I wanted to share with you, and good luck with any projects you try. If you like what you see, please subscribe and please like. Many thanks. See you soon. Bye.